Hello everybody, Ford Focus, third generation, 2012 models here and up. Fog light bulb removal. How do we reach the fog light bulb in our Focus? I'm going to show you how. But let's see. Typical thinking, or from the owner's manual, it suggests you, in order to reach the fog light bulb, you need to remove the wheel well cover, or you need to remove or unassemble the belly pan from here, or the wheel well cover from here. But both ways, you need to check up the car and remove the wheels, and the whole 9 things. That's pain in the butt to do that. So I'm going to show you an easier way to do that, which is from here, from the headlight area, which of course you need to remove the headlight first. And I have another video to show you how to remove the headlight and the whole assembly, which in order to do that, in order to reach the light bulb or the fog light bulb from here, you need to remove the headlight first. And I find it is actually doable or easier to do it from here, because you don't need to do the jacking and then wheel removals, take out all the screws. That's painful to do that. But in here, basically you just take out the headlight, which is very simple to do. Again, watch my headlight removal video to teach you how to remove the headlight. But once you remove the headlight, then here's your prize, the fog light bulb. Well, of course, if you are going to work on your fog light assembly, or you need to replace your fog light assembly, this is not reaching down from the headlight is not a right way to do. I'm talking about the whole fog lamp assembly things. But for the bulb replacement only, or if you want to plug something cool in there like the LED or HID, it's still doable from up here, because you have more space and again less work. So without further talking, let me show you how to remove the fog light bulb from here. So for our Focus, this is just a sample. This is not the right bulb, but this is just a sample. The fog light bulb, again, our Focus is using the H11. This is our fog light bulb part number, H11. Okay, the bulb is positioned this way at the fog light assembly. So in order to remove it or unplug it, you need to reach your hand down here, which I'm going to show you, and you grab the neck of the light bulb, and then you turn clockwise like this in order to unlock it. Again, turn clockwise to unlock it, and then you gently pull it out from the assembly. In order to plug the bulb light, the fog light bulb back, you position, like you remove it around this, I think like 7 or 8 o'clock position, and then you plug it back in, and then you turn counterclockwise to lock it. Again, remember, clockwise to unlock it. And I'm going to show you again. Before you work on this area, wear gloves always, but at this time I suggest you wear something long sleeve to protect your forearm, because there's some sharp edges around this area. These are all plastic, but they have some sharp edges here, which may hurt you. So be careful and wear long sleeve clothing before you reach down to here. And again, you see the bulb light, the fog light bulb is over there. And I would recommend you don't need to unplug the fog light bulb harness first. You don't need to remove the fog light bulb first, and the wire itself will give you enough wiggle room to let you unlock the fog light bulb easier than you actually do it first from here. So you remove the bulb first and unlock the bulb later. Again, you see the bulbs over there. So here, let me show you. With one arm, so you reach down there, grab the bulb, the neck of the bulb, and then you turn clockwise. Well, it's clockwise, but maybe hard to visualize from here. But again, turn to your left side. Maybe it's easier for you to remember the left side. And you pull it out slightly, like this. See? It's out. Okay, so let me show you how to unplug the bulb. Let me mount the camera first. Okay, you remove the bulb, and now it's time to unplug it from its harness. So you reach down to grab the bulb. You need both hands to do this unlocking, from the, I hope you can see that. See, I grab the bulb. So in order to unlock this H11 bulb, there are two clips from left and right side of the bulb itself. So you use one hand to grab the bulb, and then you use your other fingers to gently pry up the clip a little bit. Unlock one side and you can unlock the other side very easily. Again, you need both hands. And most of the time you do it by the feeling, because you cannot really see it, or even I cannot see it myself. Here, I got it already. Yep, here it is. You can see that H11. Our bulb is made by Osram from Germany. It's cool. Okay, like I said, the fog light harness is locked by these two clips over here. One side of each, there's a lock. So the assembly actually is clip on from both sides. You gently pry a little bit, from the clip a little bit, and then remove it, and then you do the other side and remove it, and here it is, the fog light bulb. And replacing the new bulb, it's just the whole reverse procedure. You plug it back in, and then up to you. You can plug the harness back in and then push the light bulb back into the assembly, or you can actually plug the light bulb back to the assembly before you plug it. But I find it easier, if you can just plug the harness in, but installing is much easier, that's for sure. And again, you can do it from here very easily. So to do the other side, it's the same exact procedure, but that part, the passenger side of the fog lamp, I already removed my headlight, so that's why you can see that. Here, you do the same way like you did from the driver's side. You have one hand to drop it in to remove the fog light bulb, or like I said, you turn clockwise, or you turn to your left hand side in order to unlock it, and then you pull it out from the assembly. And here, what I mean, Ford actually designed the fog light. You can reach it from here, because you see the wire is actually much longer from here. I think they do it on purpose, because you know, when you unplug the bulb from above here, the wire is actually long enough for you to reach up and you unplug the fog light bulb, you know, from above here. But here is a little bit tighter than the driver's side, so again, be careful, you know, when you drop your hands in here, you know, otherwise you may have a lot of scratch on your arm, because you see all those sharp edges from the windshield washer, and all this plastic edge. Again, let me mount my camera first. Okay, here, let's see. Let me demonstrate to you how to remove the fog light bulb from the passenger side. Again, you know, you have the gap between the windshield washer bottle and the frame. It's all plastic, which is a good thing actually, because you keep the front end lighter. Okay. Here, you know, you have a little bit less wiggle room, so just be careful when you drop your hands in there. But definitely you can do it if you don't have a very thick arm. See, again, turn to your left side, you see, and pull it out, and here it is. And see, the wire is much longer from this side, so I think Ford is actually doing it on purpose, so you can reach your fog light bulb from above here instead of, you know, disassemble all the belly pans things in order to change the bulbs. And here, a H11 bulb again, and as you can see, there are two clips from here, so you unlock. And don't pull it too much, because you know these are plastic. If you block the clip, you'll have a bad day. So gently pull out one side, lift it up, and do the other. Like this. That's it. See? Now you have the freedom to replace whatever bulbs you like, as long as it is a H11 bulb, because you know H11 has a specific locking patterns. I don't know if the clips are the same, but anyway, make sure you, when you replace the bulb, you use H11. And afterward, you just plug it back in and check everything it's not loose, and then you just put your headlight back on and try it. And I hope that helped you to change the bulb. Thank you for watching. See you next time.